Remember, this Friday is the last day of the month. Therefore, it's advisable to rid yourself of the negative energies you may have absorbed from toxic people around you and places you have visited. Boil 2 liters of water in a pot. Take a handful of salt with your dominant hand and feel its protective and energy cleansing effects. Add a splash of vinegar and visualize it washing away any envy and evil eye that may have been directed towards you. Finally, add 3 bay leaves. Before placing them in the water, hold them in your hands and with strong faith feel the continuous flow of money entering your life. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. Once it cools down, pour it into a container large enough to soak your feet. Keep your feet in the water for 10 to 15 minutes while affirming positively about energies and money. Allow your feet to naturally air dry. Dispose of the water down the sink and place the bay leaves in the sunlight to dry, then burn them. You will see how this simple ritual will open up your path for a July filled with abundance.